Hey guys, it's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right guys, today we are in the Dallas neighborhood. Is actually called the Inwood Park West neighborhood. It's pretty close to Lover's Lane. Actually, you can drive, it's like a 3-minute drive to Inwood Village to be exact. We're also about 15 minutes from Highland Park and about 10 minutes from Love Field Airport. So with that being said, Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2024 by Olerio Homes. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 4,113 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,750,000, which is $425 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.17 acre lot, which is 7,500 square feet roughly.
Fantastic. Thank you, Sheila, for that information. Guys, I want to remind you, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area and you want to partner with true luxury experts, well, that's Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1. Not just that, we're also partnered with the #1 luxury broker in town and have over 10 years experience. So with that being said, let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.